Welcome back to the channel, guys. I hope you guys are doing well. Today, I want to start a new series called 2 Minute Wednesday. If you look at this, my screen right here now, you're going to see a lip. I want to do what is called a realistic lipstick color change. And this is a really amazing method that you can use to just change a lip color. If you have shot a couple, model, whatever, and the lipstick didn't look the way that you wanted it to based on your edits, you can use this method and get some really fantastic results. I hope you guys do enjoy, and if you do enjoy, smash that like button, and if you're new to the channel, subscribe. All right, guys, I won't rub on anymore. Let's go to the video. All right, so right here you have the lip right here. Let me zoom in just a little bit. All right, so the first thing I'm going to do, I already created a mask for this, but the best method that you can use, and I will show you real quick, I'm not going to go through the entire thing, is when you go to your pen tool, you can press P on the keyboard, and you literally just draw a line around the lips. And once you complete that line, like so, you right click and you say make a selection, then that's how you will go about and select create a selection. But anyway, I'm not going to do that because I already did that already. So if I go to my channels right here and I select the mask, that's the alpha the lines that I created so far. I'm going to go back to the layers right here, and then the first method I'm going to show you is the gradient map. I'm going to select that. And you will see right here, it created the colors using the highlights and the shadows from the black and the white over here on my left side. If I go to the gradient map right here and I select it once, I'm going to select right in the middle. And you can see that right away, the lip color has changed to black. However, once I click on the color right here and I select, let's say, red, you will see that that lipstick looks really realistic. If you go back into the gradient map right here, you can select, when you select the middle color right here, which is the red, you will see these dials right here. You can adjust how dark you want the shadows to be or how bright. This is one reason why I kind of like the gradient map over the other method that I'll show you in a little while. And the same goes to the right side. If you want to make it a little bit brighter, you can do that by dragging it to the right, or you can go a little bit more to the left and you make it a lot more, you can get more of those highlights. All right, so that's one method. The next method I'm going to show you guys, I won't delete it, I'll just keep it right here. I'm going to just take the eyeball off. I'm going to select the layer by holding on Control or Alt or Command on my keyboard and select the mask and create the Martian ants around the lips. And then now when I come down here, I'm going to select the solid color. And once I select the solid color, I can select another color. Let's go for blue. You'll notice that it looks kind of weird, but don't worry. All you're going to do right now is going to create, you're going to go to the blending layer and then you're going to select multiply. It still doesn't look that way. You're going to double click on the layer and then you go into the underline layer right here. You're going to drag this little marker right here until you get to a point where you're kind of liking what you see. You're going to hold on Command or Alt on the keyboard. Sorry, you're going to hold an Alt or Option on the keyboard and select, and you divide those two little notches right there. And all you do is just kind of drag it to a point where you're happy with the result that you're seeing on the screen. And that for me kind of looks pretty good right there, guys. And like I said before, you just select a different color if you want a different color. You want an orange, you want more for a yellow tone. You can go into the greens, you can go more blue. And the thing about it, you can drag this color to any saturation that you want. You can go to a lighter shade. So, you know, the options are just, you know, endless. So like I said, it's going to be a 2 minute Wednesday. I hope you guys did enjoy that video. If you did enjoy that video, guys, smash that like button and subscribe to the channel for more. Hope you guys are having a great day. Stay safe. Peace.